The best piece of advice no one ever told you. All right, I'm going to actually give you 3 pieces of advice that you've likely never heard about relationships, particularly about long-term relationship, right? Partnership. Number 1, don't agree with the delusional thinking that if you find the one or meet the right person, it will magically work out. All right, people crash and burn here so hard, it's not even funny. So if you want to crash and burn and if you want to fall flat on your face, feel free to participate in this delusional thinking. All right? It's just not going to work out for you. Okay, another piece of excellent advice is don't rely on love to make a long-term relationship work. Okay? You will eventually find someone, fall in love. You will think that, well, we love each other. I don't get what the problem is. Okay, love ain't enough. Love is never enough to make a relationship work long-term. Plus, people confuse love with infatuation. Okay, love is very different than infatuation. I did a whole video on this. Go check it out. Infatuation basically is your high on drugs when you, quote, fall in love with someone. And by the way, side note, never take any relationship advice from someone who is infatuated. They don't know what the hell they're talking about. That's like taking advice on the stock market with someone who has taken 10 bong hits that day. It's a really bad move, all right? Number 3, this is excellent advice for long-term success. Relationship and partnership is a spiritual path. What the hell does that mean? It means that it's going to be like this, all right? And if you're into spirituality, you understand, like, deep spirituality is accepting this and learning how to work with it, okay? Like a martial artist, like someone who is agile and flexible and can move with the ups and downs of the relationship and can work with all the challenges that are going to come, all right? When you employ these 3 pieces of advice, I think you're going to be a whole lot more successful. And here's a bonus tip. Number 4 is learn to embrace discomfort and conflict because it's going to happen to you also. 2nd year, 3rd year, 10 years in, 20 years in, have kids, I don't know, have financial stress. Your illness, health problems, your relationship will be tested to the very core. Are you going to make it or not? Well, if you have a spiritual understanding of, like, this is a path, I'm going to work on myself. Love is not enough. I'm going to embrace support and challenge along the way. And it's not about the right person. It's about the person I'm with and getting into the dojo and doing the work with them. Then I think you will see long-term success because you're going to be a warrior meeting the moment and meeting how difficult it will get on the journey. And by the way, it is an exhilarating, incredible path to commit to one person, go all in on it, and learn about yourself and learn about them. If you can embrace learning, you can't lose. Good luck, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.